Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fully load any Amazon Fire TV device in a few easy simple steps. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get to it.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow him on all his social media.
Okay guys, so how do you fully load your Fire Stick? Well, it's actually really simple and easy to do. All you got to do is scroll across to the gear icon just there, and that's your settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down to My Fire TV. Once you're in My Fire TV, you wanna select the second from the top, which is developer options, and make sure these two are switched on, folks. ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. So turn them both on. You will get a warning, but it's perfectly safe, so just best turn on. Now we're gonna return to our home screen, and then we'll go to find, and then go to search. Once you're in here, all you got to do is button D and download this in the list. So scroll down the downloader, click it, and there's the app there guys, the orange one with the white text. So select that, and then you're gonna download it. And open it now. Okay, so when you're in downloader, we're gonna install two app stores, one called Aptoid and one called APK Time. So all you gotta do is click in the URL field just there and put in tv.aptoid .com. Okay, so that's tv.aptoid.com. Once you type the that, press the play button on your remote, and that will take you to this page, and then you're gonna scroll down to download Aptoid TV, click on that, and that will download Aptoid TV. Once it's downloaded, you're gonna click install, and that will install the Aptoid TV application. Okay, once it's installed, click done, and then we don't need the APK file, so we just click delete on that. It asks, do you want to delete it? Just press delete, and then we're gonna go back to where it says home, right there. And then you're gonna enter now. So just in that, you're gonna enter bit.ly /APK time 22. Again, that's bit.ly /APK time 22. Once you typed it in, click on go or press the play pause button on the remote. It will start the download. Just give it a few seconds. And then install, and that will install APK time. So let's done on that. And then there's the main APK file. And then this return to our home screen. And then we're gonna go to the face squares and the plus sign, which is where all our apps are. And as you can see, we've got APK time and Appetite. So all we're gonna do now is move them to our home screen. To do that, all you do is click the 39 button, and then you should see the option move to front just there, and then same for Appetite, hamburger, move to front. Okay, so if your best home, it'll be at your front, so you can access them quicker. But if I were to open Appetite, I'm not gonna show you any APKs or anything because I don't want YouTube to shut me down. Just click OK on this, and now then you're inside Appetite TV. So as you can see in Discover Top Apps, as you can see, a good variety of apps there. Speed test, new rivals, don't nose in the top added, streaming apps, so all your favorite streaming apps, so in even bows by categories. So if I were to click on entertainment, this will show me on the entertainment ones that's available on there. So let's say if I were to download MX Player TV, which is the best player for your Fire Stick. So all you do is click it, and then click install, go back to your home screen, go to the V-Scars and the plus sign, and there we have it, MX Player TVs installed. So now is how to use Appetite TV. Now moving on to APK time. I'm not gonna dig deep into this one, folks, because it's full of third-party apps. The two that's gonna appeal to you the most is top APKs. That one, and that one as well, folks. So there you go. Now is how to funny note your Fire Stick with the best applications. So if you want to see more like this, please make sure to
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizards channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow him on all his social media.
Okay, guys. Until next time. Bye.